How to use gift card on Asos. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can use gift card on Asos. So the only way to use or redeem your gift card on Asos is a way of payment method during the checkout procedure. So all you have to do is just select the product that you actually wish to purchase. So for that, log in and select the item that you wish to go ahead and with. Now for example, I'm gonna go with the following item. So you have to select the item, the information and all that, and after you've done that, you need to once again double click on it in order to go to the detail info page. Here you need to select the size, quality and all that, and add the product to the bag. After you're done adding the product to your bag, that's going to be taken to your cart page, and from the cart page itself you can go ahead and click on the checkout button, and then you can go ahead and enter in your billing address. And for the payment section, you need to scroll down a bit and go ahead and apply your gift card. Basically you'll have to provide in the 16-digit code, and once you've done that, you'll be able to see a discount that you've got by using a gift card. And that's basically how you can use your gift card on Asos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.